Let's look at this question now. A bouquet of 25 flowers is to be made out of 4 different types of flowers, namely rose, sunflower, jasmine, and carnation. Sufficient number of flowers are available of each type. Minimum 5 roses and 5 sunflowers must be used in the bouquet. At least 1 flower of each type must be used while making the bouquet. Calculate the total number of ways in which the flowers for the bouquet can be selected. Okay, so can you see that we need roses, we need sunflowers, and we need jasmine, and we need carnation. These are 4 type of flowers. I don't know, but the situation given is that a bouquet of 25 flowers is to be made, right? And I need minimum 5 roses, 5 sunflowers, and at least 1 flower of each type, right? So I'm assuming that I take x1 roses, x2 sunflowers, x3 jasmine, and x4 carnations. Sum of these flowers must be equal to 25, right? But hold on, because I need minimum 5 roses, I am replacing this x1. Why? Y1 plus 5. I am replacing this x1 by y1 plus 5, and I need minimum 5 sunflowers, so I'm replacing x2 by y2 plus 5. And because I need at least 1 flower of other types, so I need to replace them by y3 plus 1 and y4 plus 1, and that should be equal to 25. I need to add these must add up to 25. So the sum of y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 would be equal to 25 minus 5, 5, 10, and 2, 12. If I subtract 12, I get 13. Now we have a linear equation, that is y1, y2, y3, y4 is equal to 13, and I need to find the integral solutions to this equation, right? Or to be precise, the whole number solutions of to this equation. Why? This manipulation, that is I've replaced this x1 with y1 plus 5, y2 plus 5, y3 plus 1, y4 plus 1, because of had I found the whole number solutions to this equation, that is x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 25, this condition which is given would not have been met, right? Because I need 5 minimum roses, right? So now if I get the number of roses to be 0, number of roses, or this y1 to be 0, the number of roses would be 5. 0 plus 5 would be minimum 5, right? So for this equation, I need to find the whole number solutions. And the whole number solutions for this equation is given as, 1, 2, 3. I need to add 3. It would be 16 C, and 3. It would be 16 C3, because I need to yes, these are the whole number solutions. Or if you remember, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to, let's say, k, right? How do you find the whole number solutions? So let's say if these are p terms, so you find whole number solutions as k plus p minus 1 c p minus 1, correct? So whole number solutions would be 16 C3, and that would be 16, 15 into 14 upon 3 factorial, that is 6. So 3 2 times, 3 5 times, 2 7 times. So this become 80 into 7. 80 into 7 is 560. So the total number of ways would be option C, that is 560.